Let's say I have an SBI Visa or a MasterCard with 1 lakh of credit or debit limit, and Peter England in this clothing merchant with his or her account in HDFC. This makes SBI the issuing bank and HDFC the acquiring bank. So this is how the banking transaction between us get executed in the backend. When I entered my SBI card details to make a 5000 rupees payment, my card details get entered into the payment gateway of the website. In this case, let's say it is a Razor Pay, so it will help the merchant receive payment from the different sources like credit, debit, UPI access. Now I am making a debit card transaction Razor Pay. We will collect my card information and the payment amount, and then it will pass the merchant bank, which in this case is HDFC. From then onward, HDFC capture the transaction and forward the information to Visa, which is credit or debit card network. This is where Visa routes the transaction to my bank, which is SBI, and requested for approval. So basically, Visa asking SBI whether I have enough fund or not. If Number 1, if do not have enough fund, then the transaction have been declined. Number 2, if do not have enough credit limit for a credit card, then the transaction has been declined. Or number 3, or in case of debit card, if do not have enough balance, then the transaction has been declined. And if everything is alright, then the transaction have been processed. Then the SBI sent the response back Visa, wherein SBI says everything is perfect and assigns and transmit an authorization code along with its response. And this is where the 5000 put on hold from my SBI account. Then Visa send the approval to Razor Pay, which is merchant payment processor, and then Razor Pay approval then the acquiring bank, that is HDFC Bank. Then the HDFC route the approval code to the merchant terminal depending on the merchant transaction type. This is how the transaction has